Hello everyone, welcome back to Artistic Aura. Today here we are going to draw Kakashi. As we all are the biggest fan of Kakashi, so here I am drawing Kakashi step by step for beginners. If you don't know drawing, you could also draw it very easily. So let's begin. So first of all, you all see here I'm drawing just a simple line just like this. And now after drawing that line, you have to draw Kakashi's hair here like this. You just have to move your pencil in different directions and just nothing else. Be calm and draw it. It will be very easy. So here you can see as I'm moving my pencils in different directions, you have to do the same, just like this. Here you can see the hairs are also in downside and upside. There is no gravity, as we all know in anime character there is no gravity, so you have to draw their hair as you want. But if you drawing as like me, as I've shown in the video, it's gonna be so simple. So you can see how easily I have drawn Kakashi's hair. And here, see, here I am drawing face, but here I am drawing half face right now because we have to make other details like eyes and nose. So here I am drawing eyes first of all. Just make a straight line and curve it a little bit, just like this. You have to do the same, and you can see here the eyebrows are complete. And now I'm going to draw Kakashi's eyes. So here you can see just like this, I'm making it darker to look it highlighter, and the eyes are closed, so make it darker. So here I am drawing the second eyes, and you can see I've completed both eyes. And now here I am going to draw the face outline. So the outline, it's if your outline will be perfect, then drawing will be perfect. So make it slowly and good. Now here I'm drawing the mask. So as you see in the video, as same you have to do, and will make a perfect mask and outline. So now you can see the mask is done, and now I'm here making chin area. So now you can see the face outline is completed. So you can see the Kakashi's face is ready, and now here I'm making a little bit side hair, and after that I'm drawing here ears. As shown in the video, you also have to do the same, and the simple steps will make your drawing perfect. So the way we have completed our ears, and now I'm here making the neck area with the shoulders. Though the male characters in anime have a wide range of neck, so make it like that. Here I'm making the back here that is shown a little bit from the front. And now I'm here making the face of Kakashi. That is just a simple outlines. So here I have done one sided, and here the second side is just gonna be complete. So here you can see I have completed the outlines of the whole character, and here I'm just darkening the areas like eyes and mask. And now it's time to shading because we have completed our eye outlines very good and it's just looking perfect. And now it's time to shading, so I'm here making just from freehand shading, just a light shading you have to do here, and then darker. So here you can see I have done shading in the bandana. So now you can see I have completed the shading and I'm making it darker even a little bit. And now here I am shading the mask from the same pencil 2B, and then you have to darker with the 6B or 7B pencil. Just do in the same direction as shown in the video, and then will following a little bit small steps, the portrait and your drawing will be complete, just same as shown in the video. So here I have complete shading in the mask, and now here I am making a darker shading area around nose to highlight the nose even under the mask. So we have to make it darker to highlight it. And now here I am making her collarbones a little bit darker for highlight, and a little bit shading in the costume. I'm not here shading too much in the costume, else it will be too much, so it's looking good like this. So here you can see I have completed the shading in the mask, bandana and the costume of the character. And now I'm making darker to the hairlines, and here you can see I have completed all the outlines in the hair for make it more darker. That will it will look good. And now it's time to shading a little bit in the hairs. Then it will be complete. Here, if you are still watching, if you like the video, then like, share and subscribe for more anime character drawings. So just like this, I've completed the shading in the hair too, and here I'm making the most proper seam. Here I'm going to make your shine in around the right eye, and our drawing is completed.